What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beer. Today we have a projector, but not any ordinary projector. We have a immersive streaming projector from Aurzen. This has built-in native Google TV with apps like Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube. It is a high definition native 1080p resolution with 4K support and HDR10, meaning it is going to just project at full HD, but it supports 4K sources like a PS5, a 4K Fire Stick TV, and stuff like that. Like I mentioned before, it has integrated Google TV without needing an additional dongle, which is absolutely fantastic. It delivers about 500 AC lumens of brightness, which is scientifically verified to ensure consistent performance in dim environments. And it offers time of flight technology for real-time autofocus and auto-Keystone correction, perfectly scoring the image in under 3 seconds. And on the audio side, it does have an immersive audio with 20-watt Dolby audio speakers that provides a 360-degree sound, often removing the need for external speakers in small to medium rooms. It has a versatile stand, 110-degree flexible gimbal stand, making it easy to project onto walls or even a ceiling for comfortable viewing. Full dual band Wi-Fi, 2.5G and 5G, and two-way Bluetooth connections alongside physical ports like HDMI, USB, and a 3.5 millimeter audio. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging here from Aurzen. This is the Boom Mini. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see what's currently offered when you buy yourself this immersive streaming projector. Okay, so this is all the contents inside the packaging. You're going to get your user manual with your warranty card, some cleaning accessories right here, which is some long like Q-tip kind of looking thing with the microfiber cloth. You're going to get the hefty power brick. It does come apart for easy travel, but this is its power source. And you're going to get the remote control here with dedicated buttons for YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, and your projector settings. That's what it looks like there. And you have the projector itself looking very good, very nice and sturdy. It feels good quality on the back. That's what we have, the Dolby Vision audio right there on the back, looking absolutely fantastic with those mini subs right there. I can't wait to sound this. On the bottom, you do have a 3/4 inch thread right there, so you can prop this on a tripod, which is it's absolutely amazing. You can pop this on a tripod if you like, or mount it to anything, or you can just use the built-in stand that it comes with, which rotate very good. And on the bottom, you do have some additional cleaning right there. This pops off, and you do have like a filter there for dust and anything like that, I think. Okay, so this wasn't to clean the filter, actually. This is to clean the lens and the projector. You remove this, and with those cotton swab Q-tips things, you go ahead and clean the debris from the LCD inside through here, eliminating any black spots or anything. So you have your ports there on the side, HDMI, USB 1, USB 2, and your 3.5 millimeter jack there, all nicely covered with this rubber tab there, so to protect it from any dust or debris going in there. And also you have a lens cover here for transportation as well. But very good looking. Oh, forgot, on the top you do have this volume knob, I believe power button as well, and it is voice activated. So you do have Google TV, and you might have Gemini built into that Google TV, so you can just go ahead and press it and do some voice commands along with the remote right there, and this voice command button right there. But Feels very solid. It's not too heavy, so it's perfect for transportation or anything like that. You can take this outside, take this for travel. Nice family movie night. This thing is absolutely perfect. Let's go ahead and set this up and give you a quick glimpse of the Google TV and how well it projects and some of the features and sound. Actually, let's take a listen to this and see how well this thing sounds. So let's go ahead and do that right now. All right, so what we have here is the Google TV interface, which looks absolutely fantastic. And the control, remember this button right here I was telling you about, the one with the little projector. So if you select that, that's going to give you your keystones, which automatically aligns your screen, which is good. You just go Auto-Keystone and it'll do it automatically. Your focus, you can go there, it'll automatically focus, but it does that on your own. Projection mode, this is the type of projection you're going to have. And your Bluetooth speaker mode, so you can go out here, switch into Bluetooth speaker. And but we don't have a Bluetooth speaker connected right now, so let's back out of there. And your zoom, you can zoom in if you want. Now, it's not too bright. It's not looking bright on the screen because I am filming in daylight. I do have my window closed, but this is what you're going to get. Obviously, at night in a dark room, this thing is going to look very nice, bright, and vibrant. Also, to notice that I do have this projected to my wall. I don't have a projector screen. If you have a projector screen, that's going to help out make the image pop and look more clearer and brighter. But I'm just have it projected on my wall, so you can take this anywhere and just project it to a solid wall, and it's just going to work just fine. I don't have a problem with that. So you're going to get all your apps that you normally get on any Google TV device: Netflix, the Google TV Free Play, Prime, Disney Plus, Hulu. Everything you need is here. And if you need to add more apps, the Play Store is available for you to download any app you're looking for. Everything looks good. YouTube looks great. Let's see if we can play some 4K content real quick.
The strength of the ancestors is here.
Live like this, baby.
You think you're in control of this? You're not. What are you?
I mean, look at this. I have my Mac Mini connected to the projector. So if you want to go ahead and take a laptop or anything, or a Mac Mini, if you want to travel with your Mac Mini and your projector and just project it to the wall and get some work done, this thing absolutely is so versatile on the endless possibilities of what you can connect. A PC, look at this, an actual computer. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, so what can I say? This thing sounds amazing, looks amazing. It's very portable. 1080p native resolution, supports 4K. So if you want to take this with you and plug in your PS5, any 4K Fire Stick or anything like that, it supports it. It's just going to downgrade it to 1080p, but it's going to take the input. So you can go ahead and plug in your gaming consoles, your computer, or anything like that. If you're looking to have a nice movie night out in the backyard with your family, this thing is portable. You can connect a Bluetooth speaker to it, or you can use the great sounding Dolby audio built-in speakers that are absolutely amazing that come with this thing. The possibilities of this projector are endless with its multiple connection ports, HDMI. Just having Google TV natively is absolutely fantastic because it opens the doors to any streaming app, anything you want to do like that. What can I say about this Aurzen Boom Mini, which is absolutely fantastic and is priced relatively competitive. I don't think it gets better than this. Link will be in the description of the video if you want to go ahead and pick one of these up for yourself. Absolutely fantastic device. If you have any questions regarding this, please leave them down in the comment sections below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.